In 2019, Ethiopia launched what is now one of the largest reforestation efforts in human history. The initiative is called Green Legacy. The headline number is 25 billion seedlings planted across the highlands by 2024. This is the geography of that effort. We are flying over the Bale Mountains, the Choke Mountains, and the highland watersheds that feed the Awash, the Blue Nile, and the Omo. These are not ornamental tree plantings. They are watershed restoration, soil erosion mitigation, and a slow national bet that the next generation of children will inherit a country with more topsoil than the last. The questions matter as much as the totals. How many of the 25 billion survived past their first dry season? Which species were planted in which microclimates, and which microclimates were mismatched? Did the planting compete with food production for marginal land, and if so, where? These are the questions Trellison Institute scores. The scoring is methodological, not political. What we know from independent satellite analysis is that tree cover gain in the targeted highlands is real. The gain is measurable in Sentinel-2 imagery, and that the survival rate varies sharply by elevation band, by district, and by the rainy season years that followed each planting cohort. The verification work is ongoing. The most credible voices are Ethiopian scientists and foresters who have been quietly counting trees. Trellison supports that work. We do not influence it, we rate it.